X squared minus 4 is a factor of f of x equals x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4. Find the values of the constants a and b and all the roots of the equation f of x is equal to 0. So we're going to set up our bus stop and put x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4 under the bus stop and x squared minus 4 in front of the bus stop. So we take the highest pair of x inside the bus stop, which is x cubed, divided by the highest pair of x outside the bus stop, which is x squared, and x cubed divided by x squared gives us x. So we write x on top of the bus stop. Then we're going to do x by x squared minus 4 gives us x cubed minus 4x, which we're going to write underneath the bus stop. We're going to put the x cubed directly underneath the x cubed. We're going to leave a space here because we don't actually have an x squared term, and write the minus 4x underneath the bx. So we're going to change the signs. These will cancel. We bring down the ax squared. Then we're going to add together the bx and the plus 4x, but we're going to factorize by taking the x out as the highest common factor. X into bx leaves us with b. X into plus 4x leaves us with plus 4. So we get x times bx plus 4. Then we bring down the minus 4. Then we repeat the process. Take the highest pair of x inside the bus stop, which is ax squared, divided by the highest pair of x outside the bus stop, which is x squared, and ax squared divided by x squared is a. Then we're going to multiply a by everything in front of the bus stop. So we're going to do a by x squared minus 4, and a by x squared minus 4 gives us ax squared minus 4a. So write the ax squared underneath the other ax squared, and the minus 4a underneath the minus 4 because it doesn't contain an x term. And then we're going to add in plus 0x so that we do have an x term. We're going to let all of this be equal to 0 because we don't want to have any remainders. Now, at this point, there's two ways you can work this out. You can change the signs and then let the terms equal to 0 and then solve for a and b, or you can put like to like. So I'll do both. So first off, I'm going to change the signs so that becomes a minus. That doesn't really have a sign because it's 0, and that becomes a plus. These cancel, and we're going to say b plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 0. So b plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 4. And then minus 4 plus 4a is equal to 0. So minus 4 plus 4a is equal to 0. So minus 4 is equal to minus 4a, so a is equal to 1. So b is equal to 4 and a is equal to 1. Alternatively, you could have not changed the signs and put like to like. So you could have said b plus 4 is equal to 0 and then solved for b, or minus 4 is equal to minus 4a and again solved for a. So now we have b is equal to minus 4 and a is equal to 1. So our factor that we got from our bus stop method was x plus a, and we found a to be 1, so that factor is now x plus 1. So f of x is going to be x plus 1, which we got from up here, multiplied by x squared minus 4, which we got from the question. And x squared minus 4 we can factorize by the difference of two squares, which will give us x plus 2 times x minus 2. So if x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. And if x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 2. So the roots of our equation are minus 1, minus 2, and 2.